Hey guys, the objective of this video is to find the permanent and imposed actions on girders B2 and B3 in kilonewtons per meter. So just to show you where we're at, I just want to discuss first the difference between this and the previous example. So once again, the load path when you have a two-way slab is slab, then a portion of that slab going into interior beams and girders, and then that going into the column, unlike a one-way slab, which is slab, interior beams, girders, columns. Okay, so let's look at this first of all, what we need to isolate out. So if we look at B2 and B3, alright, so you can see we're going to be having this portion of slab in blue going to B2, and this portion of slab going in blue going to B3. Alright, so just taking those two cases out, we have B2 and beam 3 like that. Looking at beam 2 first, let's just add in the dimensions. The length of B2 is 3 meters. Okay, so 3 meters. Now we said that these angles are at 45 degrees, and because this splits halfway, that length will be 1.5 meters. Okay, which means that, and because this is at 45 degrees in there as well, it's an isosceles triangle, which means that the length from there to there will be 1.5. So once again, that length is 3, it splits it in 2, so if we want to go to that division there, that would be 1.5, which means that length there is 1.5, okay? Which in our case is the height, and that midpoint will obviously be at 1.5 meters because it's an isosceles triangle. We saw this exact case, beam 3, so we looked at that one in the previous video, but beam 3 is the exact same load path. You can see it's just a triangle split up in 4, this square split up in 4, so its length is 4 meters. And because everything splits up perfectly, it's going to be 2 and 2. Okay, so 2 meters high, 2 meters into the center there. So we're going to have to find W max for these cases and the equivalent rectangular load. So permanent actions G first. The permanent action is equal to the permanent action from the slab above plus the self weight of the beam. So let's just reiterate this again. When we were doing one-way slabs, the permanent action in the girders was permanent action from slab above plus self weight of beam plus the permanent actions in the interior beams.